Pure Vita bracelet is carefully handcrafted by artisans around the world. The commitment to their craft is conveyed through the quality of their work. Pura Vida means pure life in Spanish, a Costa Rican philosophy that encourages the appreciation of life's simple treasures. In the summer of 2010, a college graduation trip to Costa Rica turned into a life-changing business venture for two Southern California friends, Griffin That and Paul Goodman. While traveling through Costa Rica, Griffin and Paul crossed paths with two bracelet artisans named George and Joaquin. The colorful bracelets seemed to capture the essence of their journey. When returning to San Diego, California, Griffin and Paul placed the bracelets in a bowl at a local boutique. Within days, the bracelets sold out, and everyone was asking for more. Griffin and Paul soon recognized the significance of these simple string bracelets. It was more than just an ordinary friendship bracelet. It was a movement symbolizing the simple things in life. Today, the bracelets are worn by millions of people around the world, and their artisans community has expanded from Costa Rica to El Salvador, India, and more. Now, 350-plus artisans can depend on steady income and positive working environments thanks to the support of Pura Vida bracelet customers. The bracelets continue to serve as a tangible reminder to slow down and live in the moment. The artisans' dedication to Pura Vida's way of life is demonstrated in the seemingly endless color combinations and innovative styles. Each bracelet is as unique as the person wearing it. Giving back has always been the core belief at Pura Vida, which is why they started the charity collection. Since the beginning, they have partnered with over 174 different charities around the world and have donated more than $1,534,879.20 to causes they believe in. Some charity bracelets Pura Vida is partnered with are Breast Cancer Awareness, California Fire Relief, Save the Sea Turtles, Anxiety Disorder, Autism Awareness, and many more. Personally, I have two bracelets for Alzheimer's awareness and mental health awareness. They also have Pura Vida Monthly Club for $14.95 a month, which you can cancel at any time, $75 a month for 6 months with 1 month free, or $150 for a year with 2 months free. Each month you receive 3 exclusive bracelets. It's more than just a saying, it's a lifestyle. Pura Vida bracelets.